3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, we're going. So, just at dinner here with a couple of the guys from the retreat, and a question came up about length, duration of your practice. Let's say you sit for 3 hours, 4 hours. If you've done that once, is it easier to do it again? In one sense, yes. In another sense, we don't want to look at duration as any indication of quality. Right? We don't want to confuse quantity of a practice for quality of the practice. That's important. Now, if you can do high quality for long duration, awesome. So this is an important distinction to make, because a lot of people think that, oh, I can sit easily for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, therefore I'm developed. What's happened is you've developed an equanimity within a certain bandwidth of the vibrational scale en route to the infinite. Because you've cultivated that equanimity, you get better and better and better, more comfortable, we might say, within that bandwidth, because you've equalized with it. And the equanimity underneath is present. But that doesn't mean that that's the end, because let's say you go train with a teacher who offers you a slightly higher frequency on the scale. Like when we started the sun sphere, and you're like, oh my god, ouch. Suddenly, the equanimity you've cultivated, it hasn't equalized with that higher frequency, so your sit duration might drop from 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. You might not be able to handle more than 30 minutes or an hour in that frequency range. So maybe you train that higher range for the 30 minutes towards the end of your 3-hour sit or whatever, and you're sitting 3-4 hours. The last hour or 30 minutes, you're progressively refining, like with the exercise that we do, where we go from the base of the vibrational scale and walk ourselves up. And as you get to the most refined, that's probably where you're going to be spending the least amount of time, because the depth of the silence, the intensity of that is so much. So that's something to consider when you're trying to gauge your development and your success. That external metrics of success are very easily mishandled and mislabeled, if that makes sense. Yeah. Cool. Oh, we covered that fast. Only 2 minutes and 45 seconds.